So this happened off camera. Well, I hope this works. I got the center. Oh, I'm successfully drilling it out. I drilled into it, broke off an extractor. It's doing something. Shoot it again. Not so bad. This isn't happening. Inhale. Exhale. Find your center. Apparently some decent tool steel that I still managed to shear off. It was a lot of work, and I didn't film all of it. But I got the broken stud out. The problem was, a portion of the surrounding case material came with it. So I ended up with a big hole in the top half of this case. And this case is worth saving because it is very well line bored from the factory. Each of these Honda cases are stamped on the back with their bearing sizes, and those are 5 letters, A, B, C, D, E. And some cases were made on a Monday, so you might end up with like a CADFE case, which means every bearing is different. This case is 5 aces. And what I've been doing all morning is TIG welding. I am officially running with the big dogs here. Got a Pyrex cup from CK Worldwide, goes with my torch, and some 4043 aluminum rod, which worked really good when I was practicing on a stator cover welding cast aluminum. So obviously it's aluminum, means you gotta run AC, and it's cast, which means you need to run more cleaning action because it absorbs a lot of stuff in its lifetime, which has been a little bit of a problem, but not a big problem. Been running a lot of stick out on the electrode, and only about 13 psi of argon, or CFM of argon. And I've been going through, just weld up a little bit, polish it off with the drill and the carbide, make a look see that things are fusing properly, and I actually got a good bit of the top material filled in, so I actually hit that with a die grinder and files and ultimately a sanding block, so that I can potentially go through and drill myself a new hole and tap that for a cylinder set. Yeah, I'm pretty close to where my markup is supposed to be. Doing all this stuff manually and looking at the results people get when they've got big fancy computerized machines, you have to remind yourself, you're only human. I managed to get a hole all the way through and peek down the bore, and there is fresh metal all around and around. See if this will at least hold the jugs in place. Yeah, the cylinder head's a little bit of a chore. But it's in. That is successful enough. I might have to get the scribe out and write a message. Dear future owner, if you are reading this, I tried my best. I really did. Oh my God.